How to get virtual number for WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Play Store, go to search and then search for Telos application. From here, you can also use this application and install the application. After that, what you have to do is simply tap on the country flag of which you want to get the number, and your number will be generated in the app. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.